Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the separation pad on brother DCP-7057 model. This separation pad applicates to other models. You can see them in the description below this video. So I have obtained a new separation pad. How to replace it? Unscrew the two screws which hold the front plastic panel of the paper tray. Then with a small flat screwdriver release the pad from the two sides. Be careful with this spring. Take the new pad. Place the spring. And then place it here. And lock it in its place. Now place back the front plastic cover. Screw back the two screws and we are done. Great, we have a new separation pad. That's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.